गोंय राज्याचे मुखेलमंत्री भलायकीक लागून देशाभायर आसा आनी कांय मंत्र्याची भलायकी मातशी बिगडल्या. हाका लागून गोंयांत सरकार आसा काय ना हें कळना म्हूण काँग्रेस प्रश्न काडटा. मुख्यमंत्र्याचे भलायकी विशीं अजूनय कांयच स्पश्ट सांगिल्लें ना आनी हे खातीर गोंय राज्यपालाक गोंय काँग्रेसीन मेल धाडला. खासा ह्या परिस्थितीन गव्हर्नरान योग्य कृती करची म्हूण काँग्रेस मागता. पणजेच्या नाटेक्स गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
Congress party has taken a serious note of the prevailing political situation in Goa, and particularly the adverse impact that the continued absence of the Chief Minister has on local governance. We have in the past been requesting the Chief Minister to disclose the nature of his ailment. Number two, the time that may be required for his recuperation. And to above all, during his absence, to appoint a second in command. While we all have been and continue to pray for fitness and good health of all the ministers, including the Chief Minister, Congress party cannot sit idle and watch the helplessness of the people of Goa, the adverse impact of these absence on the administration, and the various issues which have been plaguing this state for last many months and which need to be taken care of. So therefore we have today sent a mail to the Honorable Governor requesting for an immediate appointment with Her Excellency, so that once again we can apprise her about the prevailing situation and try and prevail upon her to act as per the mandates of the Constitution of India. The Constitution prescribes that there shall be a council of ministers with the Chief Minister at the head to aid and advise the governor.